In our last video, we discussed one method of solving word problems. That is the part-whole model. That model is used when we have a total, a whole, and a piece that we can use, which is a part. In this video, we will be looking at the comparison method. Let's go ahead and take a look at what a comparison word problem looks like. Peter collected a total of 1,170 stamps. He collected 4 times as many US stamps as foreign stamps. How many US stamps did he collect? I could see in this problem that I have a total, but I don't have any parts. To find a part, I need to compare the US stamps to the foreign stamps. So let me go ahead and write down the information that we know, as we did in the last problem, and the information that I need to know. So I know that Peter has 1,170 stamps in total, and I also know that he has 4 times as many US stamps as foreign stamps. Now remember, we don't want to put too much information here because we're not rewriting the word problem. We're just paraphrasing to shorten the information that we are looking at. I need to know how many US stamps he has. So as this is a comparison word problem, first I need to see how many things I'm comparing. In this problem, it happens to be 2, US and foreign. So I'm going to make 2 boxes representing US and foreign. This first box will be foreign, and the second US. I can do it in any order. I also know that the total amount of all the information I will have here is 1,170 stamps. That is my total. According to my second piece of information, I have 4 times as many US as foreign stamps. So I'm going to go ahead and make 3 more boxes to represent the 4 times US as foreign. Now I don't know any information about any of these boxes yet. And to find out that information, I'll need to use my total, which is 1,170. And as you can see, all of these boxes are approximately the same size, which means that they are equal parts. So since they are all equal parts, I can divide them equally to see how much each part is. So here I will be dividing by 5, which represents the fact that I have 5 units. So let me go ahead and do the division. Now that 5 can go into 17 3 times, minus 15, that's 2. The 0 comes down. 5 can go into 20 4 times. And as we said in the last video, there is no remainder. There cannot be a remainder in a word problem. So I see here that my number is 234. That number is represented by each unit that I show here. So each of these boxes is 234. So there are 2 ways now for me to solve this problem. I can either say my total, 1,170, minus 234, which is removing the foreign because we are looking for US stamps. When I subtract it, my answer will be 936. The second method I can use is finding out that each of these has 234, and there are 4 total units. And when I multiply this through, I will also get 936. In both cases, my answer is the same, and in both cases, I'm able to answer my question. How many US stamps does Peter have? Peter collected 936 US stamps. This is what a comparison problem looks like, and this method can be used any time that you find that your problem is comparing 2 or more different objects.